The top 10 rooted apps for Android. So at number 10 it's Game Manager, which basically if you've got a custom ROM on your phone, you can download GApps, which GApps is Google Market, well Google Play, but most ROMs that you download don't have Google Play, so use this app to download it, and you're gonna have to install it via the recovery of Synigan Mod 10. So if we just wait for it to load. I mean, that is going pretty slow, so I'll just move nearer to a better place. Right. Okay, so yeah, that's basically Goo inside. You can download ROMs on it. There's some good ROMs. You can get baked ROMs, and these are the ones that are actually, it like customizes them to the ones that are actually compatible with your phone. So let's go Synigan Mod, and these are all the custom ROMs you can get. There's thousands, but if you're using a different phone service, then scroll down till you get to, right, there's Samsung Galaxy S2. That is compatible with my phone because it's Samsung Galaxy S3. So, or you can just scroll down to the bottom where it says your phone model, and go i9300, and these are the versions that you can download. It's easy to download, you just have to find the right one that you actually like for your phone. These are all customized, so be sure to try them out. You can just click it and download or share if you want to share it with your family or people with other rooted phones. Okay, so that's enough of that one. Okay, Super SU. It's pretty much like Super User, but Super User tends to not work sometimes, so this has been a new app for quite a while now of about rooted phones, which basically can just grant access through any app. So let's say batch calibration, you can even get prompted to grant the access, or just click grant and just click save. Okay, so under settings, upgrade to Pro. I don't know what the extra features really are, but I'll just take a quick look. This is a license file for Super SU. This is not a standalone app, you need Super. Alright, so the add-ons is survival mode, full color coded, pair apps login configuration, pin protection, nothing really big anyway. Okay, so my next, number 7, is XDA Premium, which is another place to download all your ROMs. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to find your phone, the one you're actually trying to customize the ROM or something like that. Like mine's Samsung Galaxy i9300. So I'm just going to scroll down till I find my phone. It's got pretty much every phone on here, so don't be alarmed if you can't find it first time. It took me a while to find mine, and I still can't find it now. Right, where is it? Just turn the TV down. Okay, scroll down a bit more. Okay, there it is. Samsung Galaxy S3, i9300 and i9305. So click on your original thing. You can check out what's going on in the Android development section. And if you don't like, see, that's an ultimate ROM, and it comes up with the pictures nice and easy as well. And if you don't come up with the first picture at the start, then just click the first arrow button, and it will go straight to the first page. So basically this is the ROM. It's customized to every phone's potential, so anyone can do it. It's got different tweaks you can put on it: transparent weather, blue date, inverted Play Store theme, which that sounds pretty cool, but I'll take a look at that later. So this is the top app for rooted users. Well, not top app, but number 7. It has the new keyboards, new cameras, Root SU, that's what we was looking at earlier. Okay, so but that's games. So basically, this is a giant forum where you can post, find themes, find ROMs, find applications that are not available on the market, that are customized. Okay, so Lucky Patcher, we're going to Lucky Patcher now. Okay, so let's say you've got an application that brings up like Google Ads, or it comes with a license verification. You can change all that now. So GTA 3 10-year experience, it says license verification found, so just click it, go open menu patches, remove license verification, auto modes, and I usually just click the top one, so just go apply, then just wait for it. Sometimes it won't work, sometimes you got to do it more than once, but hopefully it'll work first time. And I'm getting loads of messages, but you know. Okay, so that one didn't actually work, so I'm just going to go to ROM toolbox, then open menu patches, custom patch, apply. This does work. It's because I've already done it on all them. You can see which ones I've done it on because you see the what's name at the side, the cloves and the stars, which you can remove Google Ads. You can customize your patches, like let's say app to SD, open menu patches, remove Google Ads, and apply. You can either resize them to a minimum size, you can completely resize them to null, but it don't work with every app, so you gotta, it works with every app that needs custom patches because every custom patch is on it. Okay, now we've done one. Okay, so pattern patch N1 successful, pattern patch N3 successful, which means if we go there, remove Google Ads, number 1 and number 3 is done, so it's actually let me resize ads so it will become smaller, and trying to break the mechanism for obtaining the Google Ads. Or there's a new thing you can remove Google Ads. You can actually back up the APK file for reinstall. Copy APK file to SD card in the data folder of Lucky Patcher. You can reinstall for restore. This application is from this APK, which means you can install it with no Google Ads. So let's go back to that. And next one is Game Cheat, which basically it's like a cheat engine for. It's a cheat engine for your phone. You can hack any game, which is, I think it's pretty awesome. Press any key or disable. Okay, so I need a hotkey, so I'm going to press volume up. Okay, so now you can see my thing's volume up, so if I quickly... Okay, so give me 2 minutes you guys. Right, there's a cheat engine. I'll just try and find a quick game that'll let me quickly hack it. Not apps, games. 2 minutes you guys, let me just download some game. Angry Birds, let's go Angry Birds. It will download pretty fast, so you know. Oh, I had to choose the biggest game, didn't I? Okay, while that's downloading, I'll just go over the next one. Okay, so I'll come back to that game cheat. So root it uninstaller, grant access. Basically, this app lets you remove customized the apps that came with the ROM. So if you don't want it, then you can just get rid of it. So let's say TalkBack. I'm going to uninstall that. Consider to back up this app first. If you did not, since it will be gone forever after uninstalling, do you really want to uninstall this app? Yes. Okay, and that app has now officially been installed, so I cannot use that no more, which I don't really use it anyway, so it's the fastest way to uninstall apps. Sound search for Google Play. You can move any app you want. You can even move the operating system that you're using, but I wouldn't recommend that. Okay, so now it's installing Angry Birds. Okay, where's Angry Birds? So open that when you downloaded the app, and if, as you can see, it comes up at the top with this. So just gonna mute that. Okay, so click play. I'm gonna go on the first one, the top one. When it finishes going through the shitty slideshow thing. Come on, phone, today would be nice. Okay, so as you can see my score, and I've just got something. So I've got 1. So I just want to get a little score. So I'm just going to aim at the floor. Oh, I didn't get any score for that. Right, I don't want to knock it off, I just want to... Right, there's a score. I've got 1080. So I'm going to open my cheat engine. This will not work for every game, so don't be gutted if it doesn't work for yours. I know it works with Dead Trigger as well. And I've never really tried on this, so I'm just going to give it a go. Okay, it's found 202. So click back. Now you want another score. And I failed completely. Okay, so I'm going to restart that. So I think when you've done that, if you go search again, you click down, it's 5 found, so basically I can go back. I'm just trying to hit it on the edge kind of thing. And this is actually the thing that I actually got for it, which is 1780, which I'm just going to quickly try again. So the score is right, it should be on 0 again. So it's on 1080, 1070, so if you have a look, there it is, 1070. This is the live version, so it will take 5 minutes, and it's on float, so I'm just going to do a stupid score like 9999999. Done. Modify. And some games this don't work, so sorry if it don't work for you. And it didn't work for me either, so don't worry about it. Like I said, this doesn't work for all games because that's just changed. So anyway, that's the cheat engine for the phone. It's pretty much the only one, so I thought I'd show you that. Yes, I'm sure you want to quit. Okay, so battery calibration, which this app lets you charge your phone to the full. It will delete the old battery stats and upgrade new ones, so your battery will last a hell of a lot longer. It doesn't matter what you're doing on it. It will just calibrate it to the top. So you can take that off if you want to calibrate anytime. Just go battery calibration and it will let you use your battery to the max, which is a very good app for root users. Right. Set CPU. Basically you can overclock your device, so let's say I want it at I always have mine on max and the minimum 500, but you can set it at the bottom for performance, power save. So power save is only 500, so I don't really want that. I want performance, which takes my phone up to 1400. Yours won't say exactly the same unless you got the same phone, because mine's pretty late phone, pretty up to date. So it's got, you can set it on boot, which is highly recommended. You can have a look at what CPU, all your information, device and kernel information, which my kernel is Linux version 3.0 1.31, the dirty version. Total and free. This is everything I'm using on my phone, which is every app that uses my phone just to, okay, screencast. This is what I'm actually using right now, which it's amazing app. It lets you record for the full, but it won't let me do any of that now. But after that, you can just click Start Bench, and after, let's say the frames per second is 35. So if you click on this, you can go down to 40 if you wanted to, or you can, if you're using this, you can go down to 30 even. But always do the one nearer to yours, otherwise you could overclock your device, which it will actually just fail on you. So the next app is ROM Toolbox. So this is the main app for rooted users. So install ROMs, themes and other sits backup, manage ROM. Okay, so I've got Synagon Mod Nightlies, which is, well, basically it's just experimental builds of the Synagon mod, but I recommend do getting 9 because that is a stable ROM. You can download ROMs, you can change your ROM on any phone. You don't have to be actually rooted for it, but I highly recommend rooting your phone. Super user, I actually don't recommend getting that. I recommend getting the one I just showed you earlier. Right, there's Synagon Mod 10, that is my backup. So always make a backup if you're flashing your phone. So I'm going to go back. App Manager, you can backup as discuss. Right, okay. Okay, it's just creating the app database. It shouldn't take long. Sorry if this video taking so long. I'm just trying to get through everything. You can uninstall apps like, let's say, Vodafone, mobile loading. You can uninstall them together. Automated uninstall with root. Uninstalling apps at the top. So just give it. It shouldn't take long. So it's uninstalling Vodafone, and that's done. And now you can see they've both gone. So that's the fastest way to uninstall using ROM Toolbox. You can block all the ads. So block ads, block porn. I wouldn't do that if you're a guy, block casino. It's kind of shit, but okay. Block ads thing. You click this red button on the side to block, and it will download the hosters, and now all ads on your phone will be blocked. Rebooter, you can reboot into reboot, fast reboot, reboot recovery, reboot bootloader, power off, or restart system. Performance, CPU tweaks, that's what I was going over earlier with the same kind of, CPU, the one I was talking about earlier, the overclock your device. This does exactly the same thing, but this is built into another program, so it does do a lot of force quitting. You can kernel tweaks, so basically this lets you customize your phone so you got complete and utter access from your phone, which if you want to right, so free in memory, so I'm going to take it up to take it up or down. No, I'm not, I'm going to leave it the same. I don't know what I'm doing on this one. always know what you're doing before you mess with stuff as well. So that's another font installer, boot animations, which you do have to have a fully customizable font, a fully customized ROM even. Android Glow, so if I download that and install it don't take long at all to download fonts. Then when you download it, if you want to do that, put it into add to randomizer, click on randomizer, put that on, and now if you want to download some more, you can do, and add them to that randomizer font, and you don't know which one will pop up when you start your phone. So that's kind of one of the best apps to actually use. So you don't have to have just one startup program, you can have more than one. Status bar icons. which this is one of the best because I love to customise my phone to the potential that it can actually be done. So if you just wait a minute, okay, so my batteries, well, the signal, let's say signal, it's on, you can pick any one of these, which is pretty cool, but I'm gonna go for the yellow, I think. No, I'm not. Let's go for the sandwich blue. So just let that install, and it will ask you, do you want to replace these items? Go install, and if your first time on this and you don't know what you're doing, just click backup. Make sure you do a backup, but I know what I'm doing, so I'm not gonna do a backup. Our reboot is required for changes to take effect, and just click cancel or click fast reboot, and it will change that icon for you next time you reboot your phone. Theme manager. Basically, all these themes are made by different people, so you can just you can wait for it to load. Some of them, I've noticed, Don't Panic themes don't have pictures, which is pretty annoying because he makes all of them. Right, Chuck Norris created these themes, right? Of course he did. Right, so ICS Blue. Okay, there's the theme you'll be downloading, so you can install it. It don't take long at all. And it's up to you if you want to do this. You can remove all the icons, totally reboot the whole system so it's customized to your liking. But I'm not going to do that right now. And yes, that is the top 10 rooted apps for Android. Game Manager at number 10, 9 Super SU, 8 XDA Premium, 7 Lucky Patcher, Game Cheat, root uninstaller, battery calibration, set CPU, screencast, ROM toolbox. You can download these anywhere. It's of course a couple of them are free from the market, but I've got all the premium ones because I paid for them. So yeah, just search this name in Google Market or ForShared if you want to get them for free or stuff like that. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.